Hey, I'm Sadia. I'm an intern from Spark-Y, a nonprofit that empowers the youth through sustained education. If you're bored of making regular grilled fish, this is a good way to spice it up for you. Today, we're going to be making fish tacos with tilapia, a recipe straight from the Spark-Y Cookbook. For these ingredients, you're going to need cilantro, 6 to 8 corn tortillas, onions, chipotle sauce, 2 limes, paprika with salt and pepper, any cooking oil, and 1 pound of tilapia. Now that you have the ingredients, let's start cooking. Add 1 cup of chipotle sauce to a large bag, paprika, salt, pepper, and the juice of half a lime. Once you have all the ingredients, put your 1 pound of tilapia into the bag and put it in the refrigerator for it to marinate for 45 minutes. While the tilapia is marinating, let's get our cilantro and onion mixture ready. Grab your onion and give both the onion and the cilantro a fine chop. Now that we're done chopping, we're going to put in a big bowl. We'll juice a whole lime and add a pinch of salt to the mix. It's been about 45 minutes. Let's get our tortillas morning. First, we're going to turn on the oven to 350 and then start putting the tortillas in the tin foil. And now that the tortillas are warming up, you can put a timer if you want, if you're forgetful. It's time to fry our tilapia. Preheat a skillet over medium-high heat. An easy way to know if your skillet is hot enough is by getting a little bit of water and splashing it onto the pan. If it dances, then that means it's ready. Now place your oil of choice into the pan. Grab your tilapia and basically face it on the skillet, on its skin, if it has skin. Let it rest there for 3 to 5 minutes. You know that the fish is ready when it lifts easy off the pan. You can also see that it's ready if the sides turn white. Let's give it a flip. We'll wait another 3 to 5 minutes for the fish to cook. You don't want to bother too much because since there's already oil in the pan, it's going to be really soggy if you keep pushing it to the side and trying to pick it up. Finally, that the fish is done cooking, we're going to place it on the chopping board so we can start to cut it up. Let's start chopping the tilapia and placing it in the bowl so we can assemble the tacos. Once the tilapia is mixed with our other ingredients, we're going to take the tortillas out the oven so we can start assembling the tacos. Let's put together some tacos. We'll put a few tortillas on each plate and add our tilapia, onion, and cilantro mix. You can cut up some limes and add them to your tacos if you would like. You don't have to. And that's how you make fish tacos. Thank you.
These look delicious. That fish just works so well with the lime.